Okay, mema wakwaba eba ene jumadi no so I think say the TN say Yvonne Nelson issue eba ye me share that eno in komo bibiri sa the TN say I've had the opportunity to get a copy of the book. So we here be you can contact me. You can also get it on online, Amazon, Apple, top baby just a book no the man kasa. But one thing me pese ye say book no ankasa buy no the first time Yvonne about out on the media space about bekasa and mpono oko TV3 3FM and even that stations echo kasa echo signing autograph and as for. Let's watch the video and then come back.
And books nankasa a shorty. Yeah, but then we'll get more.
That's right. When? Because right now people are asking. Right now, those who are seeing us on the blogging sites and hearing us on 3FM are telling us, Giovanni, buy 4 for me, buy 3 for me, buy 2 for me. And now you said us, we have all become errand boys and girls for you.
Yeah, it's good. Ghana is reading, and I'm happy about that. Yes.
But, so you're not shocked. It's just good we are reading.
I'm happy we're all reading.
Are we going to see a movie out of this experience you've shared in the book?
Maybe you should produce that movie.
No, if you have the money and the means, or someone wants to produce you right now, so you put this in a movie, maybe in the next 5 years, 10 years.
Yeah, but I don't think I'll be the one to produce it.
You would rather have someone do that for you?
Yeah.
How do you feel right now?
Great that people are reading. Yeah.
Have you found yourself now?
I'm happy people are reading, Giovanni.
Are you Yvonne Nelson?
I am not Yvonne Nelson, Giovanni.
Are you facing some form of backlash from people after reading?
Well, I'm happy they are reading.
Are you getting calls from high places, people who used to be very good friends with you? Why? And I didn't see this. You didn't even tell me. I didn't know you were going through this. You should have called me. You had my number. We met. Even after that, we met again.
I'm happy they're all reading, Giovanni.
Have you taken time to heal?
I'm happy everybody's reading.
How are things with you and your mom now?
I believe she's also reading.
Your mom is reading the book?
Everyone is reading. We're number 1 on Apple, memoirs and biographies. So it's good. I've got people reading.
This is impressive. Do you have a few people you want to thank for the book, the success of the book so
Everything
far?
is in the book, Giovanni.
Yes,
the thank yous and acknowledgements are here. So they know themselves.
All right, okay. All right.
Yeah.
Nice.
It's all in the book.
That's right.
I want people to grab it and read.
Okay. Yeah. All right. You're making a promise that they should get that by...
Friday, we're going to have more at the Legon, University of Legon.
The University of Ghana Bomb Library.
Yes,
and then maybe the
I
bookshop.
gave them copies and it finished in 30 minutes.
What?
Yeah. So I'll get
How
them
many
copies. Quite a lot. EPP, Kingdom Books, Sal J.
Yeah.
I mean, all around Ghana, Kumasi, everywhere. We'll make sure we supply.
What do you tell anyone who is like, why is she commercializing her story and her pain? What would you tell anybody?
Why am I what?
Commercializing. Why should we buy a book?
Why should they buy?
Yes, why? A Yvonne Nelson book, why? Maybe that will be a memoir. Yeah, maybe that will be your closing remarks.
Giovanni, do you know what a memoir is?
Yes.
Yeah, so it's a memoir. Yeah.
So that's why they should buy it.
Yeah, because it's a memoir. It's my memoir.
That's right. Yvonne Nelson, what next after this book?
I am not Yvonne Nelson.
Yeah.
What is next is in the book. It's on the last 3 pages.
Okay.
Oh, don't open it. No. You're going to...
I'll not read it. I'm just opening it. In fact, I want to buy one right now where you sign from.
Let me show you. Let me show you where it is. This.
Okay.
Yes.
Letter to your father. I'm not supposed to say it. I'm not Giovanni. Okay. So that's what is next.
Exactly.
All right.
3FM.
Thank you very much, Yvonne Nelson.
Thank you. You.
Will you put me in volume 2?
Let me think about it.
Chai.
na we mu nyina na so study ya okasa nyina kakra bi akakra I want people to read a book. I want people to read a book. A strategy for people to actually buy the book and also read the book. And it's not just a strategy, but I think say bibia obi bisano biano e book no. Talking about sakode whatever. Answer no e book no. DNT or toy answer no e book no. DNT or the Bible thing. People are asking say is this the right time? Meaning our answer a book. So if you really want to know answers to the questions why or they are back about even this time and even the into or Troy, yeah, the into all kind of many pass them, the into all kind Duncan Williams, the bar in a wasem, the into all kind a couple of people, yeah, tone to decay, whoever our body be a book. If you want answers to it, just get a copy and read it because as I said, I've got the opportunity to read a book. It's interesting. It's really interesting. I'll get time and even maybe do a breakdown of the book for you. And also because a literature book na meka so wacho no a kita literary devices no almost everything and you know encoded and nsem ba member Yvonne Abaso because she's done a great job as an actress, as a producer, as a filmmaker, and even moving into the author scene, the book writing scene. Of course. Once you're a script writer, you can switch easily. But I think that why Ejuma, and she deserves some credit. But those are more bashing or whatever. No? This all I want to say. I'm not backing her. I'm not against her. But she's done what she wants to do. She's told her story the way she thinks she should tell it. Okay, into no Obibiara or backlash and whatever. No? Get a copy of the book. You understand what she means and what she have even written, and that is that. But that was it. So here, need you, Medina. Subscribe, mommy. Unsubscribe, yeah. So the yeah, I'll be giving updates even as to this because the Bima Babe Kasa possibly made a Bimons and some of the Abano. The Babe Kasa for home, Kwakumanu Abe Kasa for home, Lewin Akasa for home, a couple of them, medical Akasa, A plus Akasa. You can get somebody like Kevin Taylor Abe Kasa for home. Kenny Jonas Akasa for home. Almost everybody, because this book have got people actually talking, and it have got people actually reading. Even the class and among kind books, and everybody is reading. Kudos to you. I love you for you also being part of this show, making the show an awesome one. I will subscribe, share my opinion. But that's it. So come on,